Hello everybody, I just wanted to create this quick tutorial on importing from Commons. This is going to be a great tool for us to use because anyone can create something, for example an assignment or even a quiz, any content page, and make it available to everybody else, and they can import it into their Canvas course with a click. So very, very simple. Once the resource is available, all you do is click on Import from Commons. This is for importing content that somebody else has created. You'll notice down here I have the content that I'm talking about. You should be able to search here. You could just search by the institution, but anything I've made for us should appear first there. You'll see assignment. If it's a Q, it's a quiz, or it could be a content page. It could be any kind of content. Could even be a discussion, and those icons, just the same icons that we're used to. Although they've just recently changed those, but it'll be the same icons that Canvas currently uses. So click on it, and then simply click your course and import that way. You'll see different options here because I'm in the teacher role in all of the courses that we have for Spanish. So I'll see everybody's will show up here, but maybe not for you. So that's fine because I have to revise your course. So you should have a much shorter list, which is good. So make sure to click on your course and then click import. And it'll tell you successfully completed the import there. And then just go back to your course. So once you're there, you can actually click on assignments if you'd like to check and make sure it's available. It'll be at the bottom, imported assignments. For most cases, I think it should be there pretty quickly after you click on import. I haven't seen any real delay in those. If you don't see it though, chances are it may be a little bit delayed, and just give it a few minutes and try again. Go to the place where you want to import it. So in this case, I want to go to week 7. There was that issue with the memory verse quiz. So this is the assignment that we're not going to use. Now, if I just click remove here, it's not going to take it off of the student's list to do. It only takes it out of the module. The student will still see it, and they'll still have to do it unless we unpublish. And in this case, we can't unpublish because some students have actually attempted this one. So what I'm going to do is edit it. I'm just going to click on it. And then under this gear icon, I can delete the assignment completely. So we're going to go ahead and do that. In some cases, we may not be replacing something, we're just adding something. So it just depends. You may not need to delete something as we import things and so on. So just keep that in mind too. We're going to go to modules again, and we're going to go back, or you can go to home by default. We're going to go back to the week in question. You can see that I have deleted the assignment or the quiz there. I'm going to add. Now it's going to be an assignment. That's the type of item that I've actually imported into this course. And I'm going to go down to imported assignments, and there it is right there, into memory verse quiz. I made an assignment here because I think it's much easier to grade. So we'll add this item now, and I see it up here at the bottom, and then I can move it where I want it. And so that's it. That's done. And if you click on it, you should see it published. If it's been published originally, you'll see it. And make sure that our due dates are set. Our assignment group, we've got to update here. So make sure you're doing that correctly. It should be under daily work. And the submission is all correct, so that's fine. And let's put a due date on there. Now, this should have been due on the 8th, but it is the 8th now. We're fixing this assignment, so I'm going to make the due date the 15th in this case. And the available date will just, it doesn't really matter as long as they'll be able to see it immediately and they're not going to see it. So we should have everything there. It's what it needs to be. The good thing about a import from Commons is that if there's a rubric attached to the assignment, the rubric will follow the assignment. So that's a real great way to get things that for changing or adding anything. And you can also create things. Anything you make in the course, anything that you make, even if it's a content page, like for example this accent codes for Mac and PC. Let's say I just created it, nobody else had it, and I just decided to make this for my students. I can go up here to this gear icon and I can share it to Commons. It will take me to that Commons page, and you just select HSLDA Academy, choose a license. I just usually go to the copyrighted one. Let's see if they'll let me do that. You might have some choices here. I think maybe because I'm in a different course of my own. Under description, you can, of course, add something here. You're going to have to put something for tags. And then choose an image. Now this is actually required. So I don't know. Just try to pick something here. I'm not sure. Oh, maybe this one looks kind of cool. I don't have the E out here because it has X. Let's just do that one. And then click here on your grades. It's 9th, 12th. And it'll say the share is successful. And any teacher can just import it to their course as they see fit. We are done. So that's how you import an assignment, or you can share something that you make. It could be anything. It could be a discussion. It could be just anything like this was a content page. There's so many different things we could use. So, of course, as with anything, let me know if you need any assistance with this. If there's something that I create in Commons, I will let you know that it's there and available to you, and where it should go, and what level, or what the course level is, and everything you need to know where it goes. But as with anything, if you need assistance, please let me know. I'll be happy to go in and do the import for you, or if something's not working, let me know and I'll take a look. Gracias.